take the cup. Get the cup. Okay? Sino ang walang cup? Please raise your hands. Okay, ibig sabihin, kung mamaya, practice pa lang yun, huwag kang mag-disappoint. Kapag natanggal ka, ibig sabihin, or kapag wala kang cup, ibig sabihin, ikaw yung tanggal sa ating round. Ganun lamang pumadali ang ating round. Okay? So, once again, dalawang player lang ang mananalo. So tayo, please go backward. So now, wala nang trial. Let's begin our real game here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, Jollibee dance. Dance pa lang. Dance pa lang, wala pang pick up up. 1, 2, 3, go. Jollibee dance. Jollibee turn. Jollibee twerk. Jollibee turn. Palapit. Wala pa. Usong kayo ba ano? Jollibee turn. Jollibee twerk. Jollibee turn. Pick up up! Ayos lang yan. Okay. So, ayos lang yan. Okay. O, upo ka na. Thank you so much. Okay. That's good. Ulit ka. Okay. Takbo na lang ang matitira. Mabilis na lang na game. Get ready. Uso ng konti. 1, 2, 3. Jollibee dance. Jollibee turn. Jollibee dance. Jollibee twerk. Jollibee turn. Pick the cup! Alright, thank you so much. Ayan. So, there is the last round. Okay, this time, ang gagawin natin, haharap tayo sa back. Tingin mo sa likod. Okay, makinig tayo mabuti. Ito na po ang final round. Ang matitira sa ating cup is only the pink cup. Ibig sabihin, ang hahanapin natin is a pink cup. Or yun ang kukunin natin cup. Just only pink cup. Okay. Now, meron tayong eliminate doon ang Jollibee turn. And we will be using only Jollibee twerk at Jollibee dance only. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Jollibee dance. Jollibee twerk. Jollibee dance. Jollibee twerk. Pick that cup! Hanapin ang dalawang cup and the crowd, ikot kayo. Okay. Ikot lang. Okay? Para madali. Okay, nakatago. Ayan. Saan kayo nakatago? Sa mga lamesa, tingnan nyo kaya. Nasa lamesa kaya? Hindi yan. Just think up. Nasa lamesa. Ayan. 1. Nasa party hats. Ayun. Supported siya. Tapos hindi makuha. By the way, palakpakan naman natin ang ating dalawang kids. Thank you so much. Ayan. Of course, we have this one. Ayan. Ayan sa'yo. Ayan. And we have this one. Okay, thank you so much. Proceed tayo sa ating next.